Many patients struggle with missing teeth and the problems that it creates with functioning, speech, aesthetics. Dental implants are probably the most lifelike, natural tooth replacement solution that we have now. The difference between implants and bridges, you aren't connecting teeth together, so you're still able to floss between them, more like natural teeth. And they help to preserve the bone structure that's usually lost whenever teeth are removed. So if you're interested in dental implant treatment, the first thing you need to do is just call our office and get the appointment scheduled. We'll get you in for a consultation and a 3-dimensional CAT scan, and then we'll get you a customized treatment plan. During your consultation, you can expect we'll sit down and evaluate your CAT scan. We'll talk about your concerns and your expectations and decide on what treatment's right for you. We'd love to see you in our dental office. We have a great staff who's here ready to take care of you. We're here to serve our patients, and we look forward to meeting you.